I'm Santina with WTI, and I am super excited to tell you about this Stamina Mini Trampoline. So we've been using this thing for several years and we think it's just great. It's awesome for getting your exercise in at home. First of all, it's fun to use, and I love that because it's small and portable, I can just stick it in my living room and jump while I'm watching TV. So I get that distraction and my exercise going all at the same time. It's also really easy to store, which is a great feature. Because it's fairly small, you can tuck it into a back room. The legs also unscrew, which is great. They come off easily and you can store them together if you need that extra flat space for storing the trampoline. If you are looking for a great way to get your exercise in at home, to have fun while you're doing it, and have something that's easy to store, I highly recommend checking this out. And that's my point of view.